In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make funk music in Suno AI step by step. To begin, open Suno, log into your account, and head to the Create page. Once you're there, start a new music project. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easier to focus on shaping the exact sound you want. Next, enable custom mode. This is important because custom mode gives you more control over the final result. Instead of relying on a more general generation style, you can guide the genre, mood, vocal style, and production direction more precisely, which is especially useful for a specific sound like funk. Now it's time to describe the funk sound you want. Funk usually has gritty textures, distorted bass, cowbell melodies, vintage hip-hop influence, and a dark atmospheric vibe. A strong prompt could sound like this: dark funk track with distorted 808 bass, aggressive cowbell melody, gritty drums, atmospheric synths, vintage Memphis-inspired vibes, and powerful energy. The more clearly you describe the mood and core elements, the better Suno can match your vision. After that, choose the type of funk you want to make. You can go in a few different directions, including drift funk, aggressive funk, atmospheric funk, chill funk, or Memphis-inspired funk. For example, if you want something more intense and fast-paced, you could write high-energy drift funk track with distorted bass, fast cowbells, and a racing-inspired atmosphere. Choosing a substyle helps narrow the sound and gives the generation a stronger identity. Then decide whether you want vocals or an instrumental. If you're creating a beat, simply specify instrumental only, no vocals. If you want a full song, you can ask for dark rap vocals with an underground hip-hop vibe. This choice has a big effect on the final arrangement, so be clear here. Next, add production details that define funk. Include things like distorted 808s, cowbell melodies, punchy drums, dark synths, vinyl texture, and an underground atmosphere. A good example would be distorted bass, aggressive cowbell lead, punchy drums, dark ambience, vintage hip-hop influence, and heavy low end. These details help shape the texture and energy of the track. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Listen through the versions Suno creates and save the one with the strongest energy and groove. If the result isn't quite there yet, refine the prompt. You can ask for more distortion, a faster tempo, heavier bass, a darker atmosphere, or more aggressive drums. Small prompt adjustments can make a big difference. If you want a longer track, use the Extend feature to add new sections, build longer drops, create transitions, and develop a fuller arrangement. Finally, save your preferred version, download the audio file, and import it into your DAW if you want to do extra mixing or editing, and that's